Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Afton and this is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys a simple recipe. It's basically my hot dog recipe. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up. Yes, thumbs up the video. And also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Cooking with Afton. Okay guys? And also guys, I want to ask you guys to please go and subscribe to my second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my quick simple hot dog recipe. And also guys, you are getting two videos today: my hot dog recipe and my Guyanese Swank drink, also known as Guyanese lime juice. So look out for both videos. So let me just show you my ingredients. Bye. Hey guys, so these are my ingredients for my hot dog. So I have my sausage here. I have some chopped up onion, grated carrots, and some grated cheese. Over here I have some mustard, ketchup, and mayonnaise. And that's it. So let me just show you how to assemble everything. So over here guys, I have a pot of water boiling. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna pour in your onion into the water and let it boil for about 3 to 4 minutes. Also, you're going to put in your sausages to boil in the onion water as well. Let it boil for maybe about 4 minutes or so. So while my sausage is boiling, I'm going to take, this is my hot dog roll. I'm going to take a knife and cut it just like this. I like my hot dog rolls to be a little warm, so I'm gonna put this into the microwave and let it hot up for about 30 seconds. Alright, so we'll be back. So my sausage finished boiling, so I'm gonna assemble my hot dog and let you guys see now. So I just took the bun out of the microwave, and I also took the sausage out of the boiling water, and I put a few of the onions inside as well. So you're gonna put the sausage now into the bun with a few pieces of the onions, just like this. And also, if you want, you could put a few pieces of the carrots as well. Put a few pieces of carrots. Just like this. Guys, I'm videoing one hand and I'm trying to do the video with the other hand. So I'm videoing with one hand and I'm pouring in this stuff with the other hand. So what you're gonna do now, this is my mustard. You're gonna take your mustard and you're gonna spread it just like this. I'm not even seeing what I'm doing because I'm holding the camera. And also this is the ketchup now. You're gonna just put the ketchup just like this. And then you're gonna put in your mayonnaise. Just pour the mayonnaise just like this. Perfect. And then this part is optional. If you want to put cheese in yours, I want to put cheese in mine. So I'm gonna put cheese in my hot dog here. This looks so good, guys. So I'm doing one with cheese and one without cheese. Okay guys, so this is how I make my simple quick hot dog recipe for my kids. So I'm gonna taste it on camera and let you guys see. Okay guys, so I finished making my hot dog, one with cheese, one without cheese, but I'm gonna eat the one with cheese because I love my hot dog with cheese. Let me just put this aside here. So I'm gonna try it on camera and let you guys see. Mmm. Mmm. I forget I gotta make a split so I can go lower so you guys can see me. This hot dog tastes good. And you see when you boil it in the onion, it gives the sausage a nice flavor. To me, might be for other people, but to me, it taste better. And you guys really need to try this hot dog. It's so good, guys. And you can eat your hot dog with a nice cup of Swank drink, also known as lime juice. I also made a video with this juice, so I will leave that link in the description box down below. Yummy. Guys, I'm sure you can see I'm sweating like a pig right now because the place is hot and I have my door open and the place is so hot. Anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give my video a thumbs up and subscribe. Today you guys are getting two videos. You're getting my hot dogs and my Guyanese Swank drink, also known as lime juice. Just to make up for the 2 days that I missed, guys, because, okay, let me see. My car was down, I had to do a little run around fixing it, so I wasn't really home to make videos, so sorry, but I'll make it up. I know I keep saying that all the time, but don't worry guys, I'll get back on track. So I hope you guys enjoy watching the video. Give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe. And also guys, please go subscribe to my second channel. I will leave that link in the description box down below. Okay guys, take care and bye. Bye guys.